Hi everybody, this is Mike from New Light Analytics, and today I'm going to show you how to use the drill through function in your Power BI report. Now this is going to allow you to drill from page to page in your report. It's going to make you look like a superstar, and it's super easy to do. So follow along with me as I give you an example how to do that so you can put it into your next report and impress your boss, your coworkers, and be able to analyze the data in a much more efficient way. Let's go to the computer now. Okay, I've got our AdventureWorks data pulled up here, and I've created two different pages. One is our main page of our report. This is the one that we'll be showing in the front. It's got your total sales, your total cost, your margin, units sold, sales by customer, and sales amount by order date. Now, if you wanted to, you could put on a slicer or use your filter pane over here, and you could filter down by customer and everything. But let's say we want to pull up a sales order number and see what the sales order actually looks like. Well, I've created a second page, and this page has got the sales order information. It's just a basic page so we can look at it. It's got the sales order number on the top, the name of the customer, transaction amount, profit, margin, items purchased. You'll notice the transaction amount and the profit and the margin and everything are extremely high. If you go back over to the main page, you'll see actually that they're exactly the same, right? So what we want to do is make a drill through. So in order to drill through the report, we're going to go to the sales order details over here. And you'll notice in the visualizations page, you have right down here, add drill through fields here. All right. So we're going to go into sales, and we want the sales order number. So we're going to click on the sales. Whoops, one more time. We're going to drop that thing down. Going to move it over a little bit so we can see which one's it. And the sales order number, we're going to drop right into the drill down section. All right. When that happens, you see this little button appears at the top, and this is the one that brings you back to the main page. So now as we go to the main page, as we're looking, we see a sales order number. We're going to right click on that. Going to right click on that, and we see where it says drill through now appears, and it says sales order details. We'll click on that, and it'll take us over to our sales order page, and it brings up just that sales order. So here's the sales order transaction details. Tells you the amount of items, which items on there, and which amounts were on that each one. And I've got the transaction amount, the profit, the margin, and number of items purchased, just to show you what's going on. Now, if you were in the Power BI service, you just click on this, and it would bring you there. But because you left click on it, but because we are in desktop, we'll hold down the control button and we'll left click on it, and it'll bring you back to your starting page. The important thing to remember is you can put anything you want in the drill through section. You can actually drill through more than one field if you want. I just put the sales order number in there because that fit the example that I was going to use, but you could put product in there. You could put anything you really wanted. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, why don't you do me a favor, head over to my page, subscribe, hit that like button, and ring that bell so you'll be notified whenever we post new videos. New videos drop every Tuesday morning, and it covers Power BI topics just like this one.